make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right.
Hey guys, welcome back. How are you all doing? I'm back soon, right? So in this vlog, I'll be letting you know my progress. क्या progress भाई? अरे यार, I'm talking about this main session one. So the registration is done and we are all so focused in completing the syllabus, solving PYQs and going and giving the exam, and hopefully देखते हैं क्या होगा. But let's start the vlog first. Right now here I have started a new chapter in physics, that's wave optics. A few days before I was doing physics and maths simultaneously, but later I realized maths was not as easy as compared to physics. But that doesn't mean that physics is the easiest subject. No way, it has its own power, it has its own level. After doing integration mathematics, my hopes went in drain because एक question को देख के मेरा दिल ऐसे ऐसे धड़क रहा है ना कि मैं क्या ही बोलूं. I get such negative thoughts while doing maths. Some days I get this thought कि यार competitors start preparation since their 8th, 9th and 10th grades only. And here am I and few others who are preparing for this toughest exam just 3-2 months before. And इतने confident है ना कि मैं क्या ही बोलूं. एक दिन में एक chapter खत्म. बस in this way I'll complete the syllabus, I'll do PYQs and go give the exam. But yes, actually, if a person is so determined and focused, at least in this 2 months, he or she can pakka crack this exam. When exams get near, all we do is search for the sample papers. But the main question haunting us is, which sample paper book would be the right one for us? Guess what? I have got a solution for this. The sample papers that have boosted my confidence and made my exam prep go easy. Not just for me, but for all of us who are looking forward to ace their exams. Here are the physics wala sample papers that consists of 6 sample papers for each subject with explanations which include topper explanations as well. These will also improve our time management skills with regular practice and help us to assess ourselves. They cover the latest NCERT syllabus and they are very much familiar to the CBSE board exam paper pattern. The sample papers are of various levels, easy, medium, hard, which will help us to prepare better. If any of you are from commerce and humanities stream, then let me tell you that physics wala also has the sample paper books related to these streams. So why late? Go and purchase them. If you want to buy these books, they're available on Flipkart, Amazon and in the PW store. I will provide you the link in the comment section as well as in the description. Do go and check it out. You know why I get such negative thoughts? क्योंकि मैं पढ़ाई से ज़्यादा ओवरथिंक करती हूँ कि ये कॉन्सेप्ट अगर नहीं आया तो क्या होगा. What if this chapter is deleted in this exam? What if I don't get such type of question? Why am I even focusing more on this? All such questions keep haunting me just while I start studying, or especially when I start solving the PYQ. So I did this chapter till night 9:30. But मेरा तब तक भी नहीं हुआ. I still had 1 hour 17 minutes का lecture left, and in the night I was just quickly revising whatever I studied. But to be honest, दिन भर पढ़ने के बाद रात को रिवाइज करने का मन ही नहीं लगता है ना. I literally felt it. I flipped like 2 to 3 pages and उसके बाद चल यार नहीं पढ़ना है मुझे. Okay, wasn't that rude? Because I was just expressing out my feelings and that's real, okay? Back into the vlog. The next day, I completed the leftover chapter, the wave optics. After doing that, I had my breakfast, did my morning chores, and I started the chapter integration at around 10:45. This was when I started seeing stars and moons in my eyes. But it's okay. पहले तो ठीक ठाक था, but then it got complicated. The next day, I had to go to college since I had my physics practicals, and then I came back home, got freshen up, and I had to start my next study session. आज का प्लान था इंटीग्रेशन ही करना, so I couldn't complete the whole lecture previous day, and also since I said कि I have my exams next week, since I have done half part of integration in mains, let me try it in IP. And since many say, and also it's a fact कि अगर mains करेंगे तो IP या फिर NCERT के questions बहुत आसानी से हो जाते, and it's the same case for me. I just had to do them once, but also I can't trust my brain, guys. I cannot, because before entering the exam hall, I feel so confident. अरे यार चलो full के full marks लाना है इस बार. But as soon as I sit on my bench, take the exam question paper, I read the questions. Till then, I still feel confident. But once I start answering the question, I don't know why I get blanked out completely. Let me know if you guys feel the same. And also integration के चक्कर में, I guess I wasted 2-3 days. I got procrastinated. Wasted मतलब I did some part of syllabus. Yesterday I started current electricity and To your surprise, I'm not done with that chapter yet. I'm procrastinated, guys. I need to complete it today. So as soon as I'm done uploading with this vlog, I'll do it. And also I've got a few questions ki what other exams are you giving apart from this JEE? I have MSET on my list, BITSAT and other private university exams. So I'll be giving all of them and just college mein I'll get good one, and the one which seems the right one for me, I'll join in there. And again in the night, I'm trying to complete this IPA syllabus in practice mostly in the night. In this way, I'm able to manage both JEE and IPA, but I need to give 1 week ka time for this IPA exams, and hopefully my exams will go great. I don't know, but let's hope for that. That's it for today's video, guys. I'll see you all again in my next vlog. Till then, keep following me on YouTube. Bye.